All right, we are now climbing to the highest point of the waterfall, where on the top there is like an observation deck, so we can see the waterfall from the top, looking the waterfalls down. Right? That's right. This is only for, as we said, for people with inflated ego.
Check it out.
But here we found something else.
Ice cave.
Ice cave. All right. The ice cave. It is interesting.
Don't go there.
This is the ice cave for bear. All right.
Okay.
I will show you. Wait a second.
Don't go.
Please don't go. Please don't go. I love you so. Oh, do, 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 do. Please don't go. Please don't go. Okay, guys, this is the bear cave, and I'm gonna show you where you have to enter. Here you enter and you go inside, and if you're a bear you hide here, and when the tourist comes and you go like out, and there's like all these beautiful icicles and mycicles, and here where the bear resides basically. You see the famous Jožek on the other side is calling me Jožek, but now I'm bear. Wow! Oh, so now the bear gets out of the cave. This was the bear cave, right? So now we go here. Please don't go. Don't go. La, 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 la. Please don't go. Don't go. That was a song from the 80s or the 90s, I don't remember. All right, so now we have here looking down. Wow, that is something. That is really something. Well, now we have another type of waterfalls. These are the flat waterfalls, right?
Yeah.
All right, so now this is the top. Wow, the water is so crystal clear. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same like the famous Jožek did, like panning 360, starting from here. I need the gimbal here, for sure. Here we need the gimbal. And wow, that is fascinating here. That is cool. All right. And here we are going down for the people with inflated egos to look down on the waterfalls, right? All right, now that is the King's View. That is called the King's View. Now look this. All right, now we go down. And that is the water hell inferno. It is the Waterno.
And look at the pink clouds.
All right, just let's first sink in the hell of waters. All right. The pinky sky.
Look at this little pine cones. Can you camera see them?
Yeah. Now we're doing artistic videography, guys. Just a second, guys. We are focusing your attention on the miniature pine cones, right? How little they are. All right. And the famous Piotrek will end this video.
I can't get enough of this view. I'm so happy like a child. Do you need pork? Just look over the
Where are the miniature pine cones?
They are right here, everywhere.
They're gonna grow big and big. They're gonna become big trees. All right, that was the top view of the waterfall. We saw the bear cave, we saw the waterfall, we saw the famous Piotrek. The famous Piotrek is here. Famous Piotrek, go over there on the flat. All right. This is the flat waterfall, and the famous Piotrek will tell you a poetry or something.
Yeah, it's a perfect spot for greeting sunset.
Wow.
Wasn't it poetic?
Yeah.
And that's what we do. We say hello to sunset. We say good night to sun.
And I guess we're gonna have to go to a good steakhouse after that.
With a good wine.
With a good red wine and a little gigi-bigi. That's all. Life is very simple.
Like he said.
Alright. Okay, now let's go to the sky, vanilla sky. This is your dreams over there. That's your dreams over there, my friend. And if you dare to dream, dream big. Don't dream small dreams.